We're back, folks. We got you a 2013 Elantra GT. This is the sporty guy. Factory fog lights, automatic transmission, alloy wheels, auxiliary line in, hatch. Yep, she's a nice one. Only 70,000 miles on this vehicle. Service and safety inspected. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Guaranteed credit approval, you guessed it. Being this something like this, somewhere along the lines of $595 starting down payment. Got the premium sound system, leather wrapped wheel, hands-free Bluetooth calling, auxiliary line in. Folks, she's a nice one. Off to college for starter's car. Great economical piece. Gets monster MPGs. Reliable. This is the one, folks. And there's only one spot. DasCleveland.com. Come on down. Bring your paycheck stubs. If you got a bank statement, bring it along. Attach a smile. And let me go to work for you. DasCleveland.com.